Hey, what's happening? It's AJ here at Duct Ranger. I just want to take a quick minute while we're out in the house to highlight the importance of a roof jack. Even in newer homes, this day you get calls for cleanings, and we end up having to replace the roof jack because it's not the roof jack's kind of a point of contention where it collects lint, stuff like that, especially if it's the improper ones. With this specific scenario, the homeowner's complaining about he wants to come do a cleaning. He's saying his dryer wasn't working. It's just stopped working, and he was having to wash or dry the clothes multiple cycles. So we get out there, I look at the roof jack, and this is what we got. It's thin, it's not designed for dry venting. As soon as I saw it, I was like, there's gonna be lint all underneath this thing. Well, sure enough, that's what happened. So the dryer literally can't breathe. It's causing back pressure in the system. The dryer's working hard, it's getting hot. It can't push out that hot, moist air, and it causes it to overwork, and then it ends up burning out the part. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna swap it out with the Innovate dryer jack. This thing is absolutely impressive. You see that curved lip, keeps a low profile. Then you got the damper flap inside. That's curved as well. It helps keep a good seal. Keeps the rodents out, allows the lint to escape once the damper flap opens up. So there it is, and then damper flap opens up, boom. That lint's just flowing out of there. So these things are great. I use them for all my products. We're so happy we're able to get out here. He was extremely happy when we identified what the real problem was. He says the years it's been going on. And no harm to the builder, but sometimes they get busy. It gets overlooked. They put on the wrong stuff accidentally, and it's not intentional, but these issues do happen, and we run into it quite a bit, especially with newer homes. So I would recommend you guys, you got a newer home, you're having some symptoms of your dryer taking multiple cycles, getting hot inside, a lot of lint build up around the baseboards. Give us a call. We'll come out there and inspect it and make sure your system's as efficient as it can. All right, guys, take care.